What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on this site, Paidviewpoint. The link to it will be in the description. I'm just going to show you real quick how easy it is to make money on this site. How to make a minimum of 10 cents for every survey that you take. And all of their surveys are short and you will never get disqualified. That's why this is a really, really good site. You see here I have $11.28 in my account. The minimum to cash out in this site is $15. So I got like a few more dollars to get, and so I'm able to cash out. You see there my trait score is 10,000. That's the highest score you can get. And the higher your trait score is, the more surveys they will give you. So I know some people have, said I don't get a lot of surveys. Well, it's probably because your trait score, isn't that high. And then sometimes, you have to just keep taking surveys, the ones that they give you, answer them honestly, and your trait score will go up. Of course, you'll make money too. But the higher your trait score is, you'll just basically get surveys all the time. So I'm actually going to do a survey right on this video just to show you proof that it's very easy. And I'm going to show you my last cash out, my proof of they paid me. So let me just do this survey right here. Just click on one survey waiting. And I know for a fact it's going to be a minimum of 10 cents. It's just basically just answering, simple questions. What is your relationship status? I'm married. And it's important that your demographics and all the stuff that you do for your profile match up with your answers, because if they don't, you're really not going to get paid. Your trait score won't go up, because if they're going to find out you're lying. So just make sure when you do your profile survey, things like that, it actually add up to what you're actually answering in the surveys. All right, so let me see. Beef. Do that real quick. How often do you play video games? I play video games. I like to play. I can say once or twice per week. I don't play that much. Go on next. Have you helped anybody cope with the following? I haven't, so I'm gonna click that. And sometimes when they're asking you these questions like this, is because they're trying to see if they have another survey that is geared to you. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But the thing is, you're gonna get paid for doing this anyway. Which one are you familiar with? Familiar with those? But I mean, nonetheless, you won't get disqualified. You will always get credited for every survey that you attempt on here. There's no such thing as disqualification. So for those of you who, there's many of you like myself who don't like getting disqualified for surveys, this is the site to sign up for, because every one that you do, you're going to get paid for it. You currently don't use a credit card to use. And it's usually about like 11 questions. So that's pretty much the standard for it. And then you'll get paid. So do that. Go down to next. It might be the end of the survey. It might be. Let me see. Well, now there's more questions. I got a cell phone. Like I said, it's usually 11, but sometimes maybe like a few more questions. So, but the thing is, they're not even long questions, are hard to do. So that's why I don't mind. And I know I'm getting paid for it. I know I'm not getting kicked out this survey. So the thing is, I'm just going to finish it. But it's never really that many. And that might be it right there. Well, actually, you see here, it actually got me into a survey. And this survey is going to take me 50 minutes. So let me see how long it's going to take me to do this survey. You see here, it is actually 12:11. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to do this survey real quick, and I'm going to come back. And I'm gonna show you how much I got. But you see here, my balance is let me see if I don't know if you can see that, $11.28. So after I do this survey, it's not gonna take me 50 minutes. I guarantee you that. Let's see how much I made, and I'll just show you proof that it's that I got paid for it. Then I'll show you my cash out proof for my last the last cash out that I got in this video. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be right back. All right, so you see there, I completed the survey. I got 62 cents for that. Now I said it was gonna take me 50 minutes. Now I showed you the time. It was 12:11, but bam, 12:14. It only took me 3 minutes to do that survey, and I got 62 cents. So it is very easy. I don't know why they told me it would take me 50 minutes to do that survey. I'm fast at answering questions anyway, but sometimes when you answer a question kind of different, they will respond. It's like they don't want you to go any further in the survey, and instead of kicking you out the survey, they're still gonna pay you. So whether it took me 50 minutes or not, I still got the same amount of money I was going to get. Now let me show you proof that this site is paid. This is my last cash out. I'm actually pulling it up on my phone. You see here, thanks for being a valued member. You know, things like that. PayPal from Paidviewpoint. So let me just go ahead and show you the payment that I got from them. It was $38.37. So that's just proof that they pay. Very easy to do. I just did a survey for you live, just showing you, you know, that it's legit. You see here, again, you need $15 to cash out. I got $11.90, so you know, a few more dollars and I'll be there. But I just did this survey on here just to show you that, you know, you're not going to get disqualified. It's going to be easy money. You're going to guarantee, you know, you're going to get like at least 3 surveys a day. You're going to get 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 at night when you first start. And then as you do it more and more and your trade score goes up, you'll get more and more surveys given to you. But at the minimum, you should get 3 a day. So just kind of check back periodically, you know, sometime in the morning, afternoon, and night. You know, whenever you have time, just go back on the site and just check. It'll say, you know, survey waiting somewhere in the dashboard. And, you know, just take the survey. You won't get disqualified. So it's easy money. You're guaranteed to get paid. So, you know, definitely complete the survey. It won't take you long at all. You see, I just did that survey in 3 minutes. I got 62 cents. So not difficult at all. If you're interested in this site, which you should be, click on the link in the description, sign up today, create an account, and just go take your first survey and just, you know, let your money pile up, because you're going to get surveys every single day and you're going to qualify for every single one of them. All right. So I just want to show you guys that if you're new to my channel, subscribe so you can get updates and, you know, ways to make money online completely free, starting with this website with the link in the description. Sign up today. And always remember, every penny counts.